So this is my review of the Monster N-Lite Clear Talk earbuds. Here's what the case looks like when it's opened, and you can see the earbuds sitting in there. And here's what they look like when you take them out. The earbud tips are really good, fit very comfortably in the ear. When you move your head, they don't fall out. I often use them in bed, and I really like to do that because they have a very low profile. Doesn't feel like something's sticking and hurting me in the ear, and they fit in very snug. I find that these earbuds last for a very long time. No problem with them running out. If you are going on a trip and you want to listen to some music or even watch videos, you're going to be very satisfied with this because they have a very long lasting charge. At the bottom here, you can see, speaking of charge, there's a USB Type-C cable that comes with this. So it's USB to USB Type-C, plugs in right there. And there's a button here that I believe if you need to reset it, if something happens. But overall, it's a really good set of earbuds. The case is pretty low profile, very sleek, and it stands up very well. No problem with that. The magnets on here that hold these in are pretty sturdy, so you'll have to really get these out. They'll kind of pull back in, but overall it's really good. That's a good thing because I've had earbuds in the past where you put them in and when you go to use them, you find out that they were not charging. So overall, very good device. Monster is a really reputable brand. So if you're looking for some very reliable earbuds, I think these are the one.